This is Jeremiah. I wanted to discuss something, well, show you guys something. These are our Ethernet couplers. We use them to separate the dance pad from the control box so you could store it or even swap controllers. So if there's a problem with the pad, it's usually associated with this. What you'll see is 8 pins and on both sides, and they should be straight, parallel with each other. If they're bad, then you'll see them overlapping, like where you have 2 pins going in the same slot. So if you do see one where you have 2 pins going in the same slot, or if one of them's going down too low or too high, or if you just see any abnormality, that's usually the problem. And they're not too hard to fix. They're also pretty cheap. You can get these for like $4 at Home Depot. So all you do is you pull it apart if you need to open it. Like grab it with both hands and pull it apart. Sometimes they're stiffer than others. So, but they do come apart. So here's one that's already opened. I'll show you the parts inside of it. You can see where this one has 2 pins that were, I can record this. Sorry. Alright, you'll see where this one had 2 of them that were going the same focus. They were going the same, well, it was crossing over. Alright. When I pulled it out, it's not as pronounced. So all this is you got 2 ends which hold your Ethernet cable, your Ethernet plug. You got this plastic piece that holds all your copper connectors, and they're just a straight pass through. It connects one side straight to the other side. Alright, to fix it, I have okay. So in the plastic lid there's 8 slots. Focus, please. I don't know why it's not focusing. Alright, there we go. So I have 8 slots. So what I do is, you don't have to, like if I have it bent, I don't actually have to unbend it. Even if they're up, some of them are higher or lower than others, you usually don't have to do anything, because it's designed where it holds them in place. That's how these are manufactured. Alright, so what I do is I take this piece, slide it in here. I'll see all the copper pins going into the slots. I push it all the way in. I look on the other side and they're all in. I do the same exact thing with the other side. Flip it around, push it in. I watch to make sure all the metal pins are going in the slots. Turn it around. They're all going straight in. Now I just snap these 2 ends together and it's assembled, and it'll work now. These are easy to replace. It's also a good visual if you're having a problem to just inspect it, because you could usually see the problem. So I have no doubts. I plug this in that everything will work now. So that's how you can repair one of these Ethernet couplers. Good luck, guys. Take care.